everyone, and welcome back to Weight Loss Smoothie Sensations. My name is Melissa. If you are new here, I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. About 5 years ago, I started researching sustainable weight loss, and now I love sharing everything that worked for me with you. This is a series that I do where I feature a new weight loss smoothie every week. Let's go make it now.
I am so excited for this week's smoothie. You guys are going to love it. It is a fat burning green smoothie. Let's go make it together.
On my channel, you will find a variety of weight loss tips. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. I upload new videos every week.
If you are new here, I want to invite you into the weekly challenge. Make the commitment to yourself to prioritize your weight loss and make this smoothie this week. This is helping you to form the habit of consistently getting these healthy ingredients into your body that is going to give you the weight loss results you want. Here's a recipe that combines ingredients known for their fat burning properties. Let's go make it. So, if you follow along with this series at home, you know that I always encourage you to go ahead and screenshot this page or even pause the video so that you can jot it down quickly. It's so important that you have it to reference so that when you go to the store, you can pick up the ingredients to make this smoothie this week. All of my smoothies are made with intentional ingredients that are going to work within your body to chemically give you the weight loss results you want. Let's go over the ingredients for this smoothie. 1 cup spinach leaves, 1/2 cucumber chopped, 1/2 green apple chopped, 1/2 avocado, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, and a few ice cubes if you like a thicker consistency. Smoothies have become such a staple in my weight loss journey, and I have benefited so much from seeing and feeling the results. I am so excited for you to as well. First, we're going to prepare the ingredients. Wash the spinach leaves, cucumber, and green apple. Chop the cucumber and the green apple. Scoop out the flesh of the avocado. And just like all of my smoothies, this one is so easy to make. Simply add the spinach leaves, cucumber, green apple, avocado, chia seeds, lemon juice, and almond milk into the blender. Blend until it's smooth and creamy. Making these smoothies each week is about being intentional about the ingredients that we are putting into our body and forming that habit to get the weight loss results we want. So simply pour the smoothie into your favorite glass and enjoy. So, if you're anything like me, you are going to want to know why the ingredients that you're choosing are going to help you on your weight loss journey. So, let's go over that now. This smoothie has detoxifying properties. Cucumbers help flush out toxins and reduce bloating, supporting overall metabolic health. You are really going to see rapid results with this one. It's named fat burning for a reason. Green apples have a low glycemic index, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Like I've mentioned before, variety is so important when it comes to your weight loss journey. We do not want to get stuck in a rut. So I have a variety of smoothies. Make sure you check out my playlist. It's called Smoothie Sensations, and you can have a different one for each day of the week. But this is my go to smoothie. Let's say I'll start drinking this one every day, 2 weeks before I'm going on a trip or getting ready for something or I have an event coming up. This is my go to smoothie. The chia seeds are rich in omega 3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation and boost metabolism. And I just notice really rapid results when I consistently drink this one. The avocados are high in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, helping to keep you feeling full for longer and reducing cravings throughout the day. There are so many weight loss benefits of lemon juice, so I love that it is incorporated into this smoothie. Lemon juice boosts metabolism. The vitamin C in lemon juice helps boost your metabolism, aiding in fat burning and has detoxifying properties. I can't say enough about lemon juice. Fresh squeezed lemon juice is so important to add in to your daily routine, and adding it into this smoothie reaps all those benefits. So there you have it, another smoothie to add in to your weekly meal plan. I am so excited for you to try it. I am so excited to hear how it's working for you. This fat burning green smoothie is a delicious and nutritious combination of hydrating, fiber rich, and nutrient dense ingredients, helping promote satiety, boosting your metabolism, and supporting your overall digestive health. I hope that you will make the commitment to yourself to prioritize your weight loss and be part of this community and make this smoothie this week. I hope to motivate, inspire, and encourage you on your weight loss journey. I hope all of these smoothie videos are helping you form the habit of consistently getting these ingredients into your body. I hope you are seeing and feeling the results. If you haven't already started, join in the community and make yourself a priority. Your weight loss is important to you, so you have to prioritize it. We can keep each other accountable and we can work at this together. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please take just a moment to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. I hope you will make this fat burning green smoothie at home this week. And please leave a comment down below if you plan to try it. Let me know where you're at on your weight loss journey. I would love to hear from you. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process. It's important to focus on sustainable habits rather than quick fixes. Consistency really is key. Check out some of my favorite meal prep kitchen gadgets to help keep you on track for reaching your weight loss goals. They're all linked in the description box down below. You can check out all of my weight loss videos at Healthy Days. In the meantime, live healthy, live happy, live on purpose. See you next time.